Alright, 2 stars for The Masked Singer, and since the show hasn't sued us yet, we thought it would be a good time for an installment of the spin-off, the Swittiest show, this time, The Masked Dancer.
Yes.
The Masked Dancer.
Let's do this.
There's a celebrity backstage. They're going to put on a costume and dance, and then we'll ask a masked genius certain questions. And guess who it is? We've been given a few clues to help us out. Here's our clues.
Oh.
Our astral sign is not Aquarius.
Okay.
I was born at 9:08 a.m.
Okay.
Who is?
You don't know who it is.
My favorite pet was Fluffy. And next clue, I like to sleep in bed. Very telling.
Wow. So that's about as deep as our clues.
That's good. Alright, here we go. Please welcome today's Masked Dancer.
Oh, yeah.
Llama?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh!
Whoa.
Harry.
Why didn't you tell me? You do know.
Wait a second. Hey! Wow, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Wait, what happened to the beat? What happened to the beat?
Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow.
That was very impressive.
Yeah.
Whoever this one does come on. Read him.
I was disturbed because when he was doing the pelvic thrust, you were like, oh, you know who it was.
I got for a second.
Oh.
No. Preface. Masked Dancer. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Oh, you can't breathe.
What breath? Okay. You from TV, film, and music.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
You guys what it's I was like.
I might know who it is. I might. Is it Jay the Bunny?
Look, we gotta do what?
I know it's him. I know it's him because that is our nickname for each other. That's our nickname for each other. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe I can pick him up. Oh my gosh!